Yes, there are how many tiers? There are
Three
three
tiers.
tiers. Yes, there are three tiers in our Panchayat Raj system, right? Now, which are those three tiers? Who will say me?
Ma'am, can I also?
Yes, say Kulsum.
Ma'am, question repeat करो ना.
How many tiers are there in our Panchayat system?
There are three tiers.
Okay, and which are they?
No.
Which are they?
Ma'am, can I say first is
Yes, very good. First is yes. So who else will like to say?
can I Muskan?
Yes, Muskan say.
First is Gram Panchayat, second is Taluka Panchayat, and third is Zilla Panchayat.
And the third one
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Zilla
Zilla
Panchayat. Yes.
Panchayat.
Yes. Okay. Tezip sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, પાછું એવું જ થાય છે. It's not getting open. So I'll carry without sharing my screen until it gets open. So आप recording ના કરો તો revision base કરવા પડે.
But ma'am, okay, no problem. You
I'm trying my
without
best.
presenting your okay.
हाँ. So the first is which panchayat?
Gram Panchayat.
Yes, the second is the Taluka Panchayat, and the third one is the
Zilla Panchayat.
Zilla Panchayat, right? Now, these three panchayats or any panchayat, how is it formed? On what basis it is formed?
Population.
Yes, on the
Population.
very good. On the basis of a population, particular place, population, all these panchayats are formed. Okay, India is a democratic country. How is it?
Democracy.
Yes, yes.
Democracy.
And it is a very vast country, right? It is a very
Yes.
vast country.
Vast
Means
country.
yes,
Yes, ma'am. It is very vast country.
a very big country, and that is why to handle the country like India, right? The administration is done at various levels. On what levels it is done? At
Various levels.
various levels.
Various level.
At various levels. So at all these levels are called what? They are given different names according to the population of a particular place. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Now,
ma'am.
yes, now you can see my screen.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Bapre, what problem today it is creating? Okay. Tezit sir, shall I restart my phone? Then it will happen. Okay, I guess Tezit sir kuch kaam hai. Okay, so this panchayats are formed according to the population. Now, I had also explained you about who is the head of Gram Panchayat. Yes? Anyone remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone remember?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, Semi, who is the head of Gram Panchayat?
Sarpanch. Sardar
Yeah,
Vallabhbhai Patel.
yes.
Sarpanch. Sarpanch.
Sarpanch is the head of the Gram Panchayat. Again, in all these panchayats, the head and the president or the vice presidents are selected by election. How are they selected by?
Election.
By different modes of elections. Okay, by
Yes, ma'am.
different modes of elections. Is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. Now we will see what are the functions of these panchayats. Okay, what we will see? What are the
Functions.
yes functions means just as how I explained you. Okay, what is the role of the monitor in the class? What is the role of teacher in the class? Right? What does the administration do in the class? All this I explained you. Now the same way, beta, we will see okay, what are the works of such institutes like ग्राम पंचायत तालुका पंचायत है ना ये सब काम क्या करते हैं how does it get money okay that we will see
Okay,
now
ma'am.
okay so first of
Okay,
all
ma'am.
yes so first of all we will see about gram panchayat okay what are we going to see about
Gram Panchayat.
now gram panchayat
Gram Panchayat.
Hmm. ना ग्राम पंचायत का फॉर्मेशन कहाँ होगा? जहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन लेस है, ओके, वेयर द पॉपुलेशन इज लेस बट स्टिल द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड, है ना?
Yes.
एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग. तो ग्राम पंचायत is formed mostly in the village areas. Where is it formed?
Village
Village
area.
area.
Yes, in the village areas. Okay. One minute, but let me try once more to share my screen if it's possible. Because today my phone is not supporting. Let's wait. Okay. So I'll show you one video related to our panchayat. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Because
Okay, ma'am.
PDF is not getting open, but still I have one video for you all. I'll be showing you that one. Okay. Yes, girls. Can you see now the video?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Screen is not there.
1 minute, beta, 1 minute. Have patience. 1 minute. Huh? So basic education provide करने के लिए, है ना, ग्राम पंचायत, all पंचायत work is, yes, yes, yes. Now it is visible now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Can you see now?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So village panchayat. See, you can see the picture. It provides schools. Yes. The main purpose of village panchayat is what? To improve the conditions of all living people over there, right? To provide schools, right? And it is agency. What it is? Which look after the needs of the villagers. Villagers मतलब जो people वहाँ रहते हैं, right? Now, what is the word panchayat mean? Committee of members, elders, है ना? Is called the pradhan or sarpanch. What is the head of the panchayat called, beta?
Pradhan,
Sarpanch.
Yes.
Sarpradhan.
Now,
Sarpan और
yes,
सरपंच.
yes. Now, जो भी voting के लिए जाते हैं, they should be 18 years or above. Okay. Now,
क्या?
who elects the pradhan? By election, the people elect, right? The panchayat settles petty disputes among the people. Then, what does village panchayat do? It dispensaries of the treatment of the sick people, provides water, arranges pure, clean drinking water. Then it takes care of the street lights. It runs schools for village children and opens library also, right, for the reading people.
Yes, ma'am.
एजुकेशन देते हैं, सेंटर्स फॉर द पीपल बनाते हैं ऑफ द विलेज. इट मेंटेन्स क्लीनलीनेस ऑफ द विलेज, विलेज का भी क्लीनलीनेस. देन इट ऑल्सो नीड of villagers, it works for the conditions of the village, yeah, provide street
Yes, ma'am.
lights, right?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am. This one.
Yes. हाँ बोलो.
ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write.
1 minute, 1 minute.
No, ma'am, I am writing.
Yes, understood. So what is village role of village panchayat, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but you are saying
This points you don't have to write, beta. I'll present my screen again, don't worry. So that was the video about our panchayat, right? What works does it do? Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Now we will see our panchayat has specifically some roles. Okay. Now what are those roles that we are going to see? Okay. What are those works? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So every village and town has three own peculiar problems. Their own peculiar problems means what? कि उनके भी कुछ problems तो होते ही है हर जगह, right? And it is difficult to find a
Yes,
solution for them unless they meet and discuss them and bring their decisions into force. What will they do? They will try to,
this.
yes, they will try to find out the solutions. Yes, unless, when can they find out the solution? Until they meet and discuss them, right, and bring their decisions into force, right? So this work is called what, beta?
Gram
Gram
Rajya
Rajya
or
or
Panchayat or
Gram
Panchayat.
Rajya Panchayat.
In order to make the life of village happy, people belonging to that place should take part in its activities. What do should people do? People should take.
People
Take part
people
in its
take part
activities.
in activities, every activity.
So, for its local participations, devolutions, or you can say decentralizations of power is necessary. So, power is very necessary to be distributed. The head is to be decided, right? Head of the gram panchayat is called sarpanch or mukhya, right? So,
Yes, ma'am.
action
Yes, ma'am.
action can be taken only when power is given to local people. It is for the progress and the development of villages, and both the central and the state government have implemented the Panchayat Raj system. What have they implemented, beta?
Panchayat Raj system.
Yes. So this is all about what is Panchayat Raj system. What we are going to learn about Panchayat, right? Yes. Yes, Muskan, read this slide, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I marry that system?
Ma'am, can I Kulsum?
Every village and town has their own peculiar problems. It is difficult to find solutions for them unless they meet and discuss them and bring their decision into force. The work is called Gram Rajya or Panchayat Raj.
Ma'am, can I read?
No.
Generic married
The work.
point. In order to make life of a village happy, people belonging to that place should take part in its activities. Third point. For this local participation, devolution or decentralization of power is necessary.
Yes, very good. So for this power, it is very necessary to distribute the powers, right? Yes. Continue, Muskan.
Yes, ma'am. Content. Action can be taken only when
Continue. It is
power is.
continue. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Continue. Okay.
Continue. Continue. Action can be taken only when power is given to local people. It is for the progress and development of the villages that both the central and state governments have implemented the Panchayat Raj system.
Yes, so the state government and the central government both together have implemented the Panchayat Raj system. Now we will see what are the aims of this Panchayat, just as how I showed you in video. है ना? Okay, what are the aims? What are the work of this Panchayat Raj system? Now we will see those work of the Panchayat Raj system. Yes? Yes, continue, Beta Muskan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I read my Panchayat Raj system? First point, to give more power
Ma'am,
to
can I read?
administration. Second point, introduce decentralization of power in administration. Third point, work for the comprehensive progress of a village. Ma'am, we have to write.
Of a village. Yes. So aims of yes, no doubt. What are the aims? What are the work of this Panchayat Raj system? Yes, to give power to people in administration. Power in the sense, what type of power that they can do
Ma'am,
for
your
work,
voice is
right?
breaking.
They can get their rights. They can then introduce decentralization of power in the administration.
Ma'am, your voice
This
is
was
breaking a
to
lot.
give, yes,
Ma'am, no, ma'am, your voice is
then
clear,
work
so
for the
ahiste.
comprehensive progress of, right? So now this, it is considered of the three-tier system: village panchayat at village level, taluka panchayat at taluka development board at taluka level, district development council at district level. At what level, beta? At
District
district
level.
level.
District level.
Yes. So this, yes. So this way, different divisions are done in our three-tier panchayat system. Yes, Muskan, continue, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Gram Panchayat. First point. Under Panchayat Raj system, the role of Gram Panchayat is very important. The progress and development of village depends on it. Second point. It is called the pillar of Grama Swarajya or Gram
Suraj, Gram
Grama.
Swarajya.
Third point. Under this new act, villages with 5,000, 7,000 population and the adjacent small villages join together to create a Gram Panchayat.
Yes, adjacent means what? के आजू बाजू के small villages. Okay, they together. What do they do? They what do they do, beta? They together form a panchayat, right? So under the panchayat Raj system, under what, beta?
Under
Under the Panchayat Raj system.
Panchayat. Okay. Under the Panchayat Raj system, the role of Gram Panchayat is very, very, very important. What it is, beta? It is very important. Why? Because it again, see, remember, my girls, that all this Taluka Panchayat, Gram Panchayat, municipality, and all this municipal corporation, what do? You know, beta? You know, they take care about the in general all people living in that particular area, falling under that area, right? मतलब के समझो कि हम सिटी में रहते हैं, right? We are living in city, so if we have a municipality or if we have a municipal corporation, right, then what will the municipality and municipal corporation do, beta? What will they do? What will they do? They will provide see that the roads are clean or not. Yes, they
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
yes or no?
Yes,
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 they will
yes,
yes, they will also see that the proper drinking water is available to all people or not. Yes, and this way they will take care of everything. Roads are maintained, roads are constructed properly. Then they will also say, okay, bhai,
ma'am. I
in
have one doubt.
in this particular area, how much population is there, then if vaccination is to be given, then how many, it is very much important to know how much population is there, right? So this way they will take care of everything what is in their surroundings, right? Apart from that, they will see that schools are working properly or not, each child is able to go to school or not. All this work will be seen by the different levels of panchayat, street lights, then construction of roads, providing basic education to the children, right? And all the important works will be taken care by the different panchayats of a particular area. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will see functions of Gram Panchayat. Okay, what are
okay,
the
ma'am.
functions of Gram Panchayat? Yes, Meherin, read better.
Ma'am, you have to write down.
Yes, you have to write down.
Okay, ma'am.
Meherin, read better.
Yes, ma'am. Functions of Gram Panchayat. Number one, taking care of health and sensation
Sanitation. Sanitation.
sanitation of the village.
Hmm. Then.
Number two, providing pure water for drinking. Number three,
Hmm.
providing drainage and street lights. Number
Drainage.
four,
Drainage. What it is?
drainage.
Drainage. Yes. Hmm.
Number four, housing. Number five, it's
Providing. Yes, we cannot hear you, Mary.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now my voice is coming.
Yes, now it is coming.
Yes, ma'am. Number five, establishing khadi,
Establishing.
establishing khadi and village in industrials.
Industries. Khadi is what? A type of material. Okay? A type of cloth. What it is? A type of material, type of cloth. Okay?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Number
एंड
6.
खादी खादी का प्रोडक्शन कहाँ होता है बेटा? इन विलेज एरियाज. I mean, not in village areas, means it is a small scale industry, so it can be progressed in villages. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Number 6. Providing elementary education.
Basic education, elementary education, right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Then, yes. So what it is, Meta? K to provide elementary education means what? K to see whether each child is going to school or not, and all this work is to be done by whom? By the different panchayats. Gram panchayat work is what? Now we will see that one by one. Okay. ग्राम पंचायत जो फॉर्मेशन होती है वो फिर क्या काम करते हैं, है ना? व्हाट वर्क डज इट डू, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी नाउ. ओके. सो
Okay,
टेकिंग
ma'am.
केयर ऑफ, क्या है? बोलो कुलसुम, बोलो कुलसुम,
मैम
बोलो.
Ma'am, has done that.
मैम आपने जो 4 पॉइंट समझा है ना वो समझ में नहीं है.
ठीक है. You afterwards then Kulsum, I'll explain you. Okay. So taking care of health and education. Okay. Sanitation of the village. Sanitation means what? To maintain cleanliness. It is very much important, no, to maintain cleanliness. So to maintain cleanliness, taking care of sanitation and health of the village, all these panchayats are formed. Okay.
ओके
Providing
मैम.
pure water for drinking. It is very much important to provide pure drinking water. Yes, चाहे वो विलेज हो, राइट, चाहे वो कोई
Yes, ma'am.
सिटी हो, है ना? Drinking water is to be provided to everyone. Yes. Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because basic
Yes, ma'am.
air, food, air, and water is the basic necessity of all living organisms, right? So providing pure drinking water is also very much important, right? Then to provide
यस.
street lights, yes, to provide street lights in all the villages, yes. Bhale their
Yes,
population is
ma'am.
less, their
Yes, ma'am.
even if the population is less compared to the city areas, right? Still, it is to be taken care of because after all, people are to living there. Yes, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So providing drinking water, providing electricity are all basic necessities of a gram panchayat. Okay. So now in the next class we will go ahead with the lesson. Okay, girls.
Okay, ma'am.
So bye
Okay,
all of
ma'am.
you. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Goodbye, ma'am.
बाय मैम.
Wonderful day. Bye, ma'am.
ओके
Have a
मैम.
great
बाय
day.
मैम.
Bye,
हैव अ
bye,
ग्रेट
ma'am. Have a nice
डे.
day. Have a wonderful day.
Arisha,
Yes.
you make your activity
Which?
of max.
No.
Okay. Anyone make them show you.